consists of 27 general academic strands, 24 technical, vocational, livelihood, home economics, 19 information communication technology strand, 14 electrical installation maintenance, and 29 shielded metal arc welding. And the 324 candidates for completion, of whom 159 males and 165 females, of Leon Garcia Senior National High School for school year 2024-2025. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation and completion.
Superintendent Dr. Reynaldo A. Solitario, CESO 5. I, Dr. Joseph T. Bolufer, CESO 6, your Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of the Schools Division of Davao City, and with the certification and recommendation by your school head, Jeff Calso, School Principal 2, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the senior high school level and junior high school level under the K-12 basic education curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby accept and confirm you graduates and completers for school year 2024-2025. Therefore, you are now entitled to receive